This is Mrs. Kingham's second 6 weeks language arts test. I will be reading the questions and the answers, so please follow along. Number 1. In paragraph 2, the root port in the word imported means A. Opposite, B. Bring to, D. Moving, not moving. Number 2. What is the meaning of the word bolts in paragraph 3? G. Sliding lock, H. Short, heavy arrow, or J. Roll of goods. Number 3. In paragraph 5, the author uses sensory language in the sentence, I hear a pop, pop, pop of rifles. Why might the author have chosen to word the sentence in that way? A. So that the reader could visualize the rifle. B. So that the reader could imagine what the woods and river look like. Or C. So that the reader can imagine what the event sounded like. Number 4. In paragraph 6, what does Enrique's mom mean when she says that he is a bottomless pit? F. Enrique always eats tortillas. G. Enrique is helpful with the cooking. Or J. Enriquez could eat so much food. Number 5. In paragraph 7, what is the meaning of the word flee? A. Small insect. B. Begin cleaning. Or C. Escape. Number 6. Why did the author of the diary include the Tuesday, March 4th entry? G. The entry explains how to prepare a meal with tortillas. H. The entry is important to the battle sequence. Or J. The entry compares the food of the Mexican army with the Texan food. Number 7. What is the possible lesson learned about freedom in this section? B. Freedom may come at a very high cost. C. Death causes unhappiness. Or D. Children can't be a part of a fight for freedom. Number 8. What is the main idea of Enrique Esparza's diary entry? F. A young boy tells about his experience during the final days at the Alamo. G. A young boy plays a big part in the battle for the Alamo. Or H. A young boy celebrates his birthday at the Alamo. Number 9. In the box it has billow, VB, to rise and roll in waves, also to swell out. Use the dictionary entry above to answer the following question. What is the part of speech for the word billows from paragraph 6? A. Noun. B. Verb. C. Adjective. Number 10. Which of the following is not the type of genre this passage could be? F. Historical fiction. G. Fairy tale. Or H. Nonfiction. Now please stop and read the next passage, which is actually a poem, and then continue with question number 11. Number 11. What rhyme scheme can be seen in the first 4 lines of the poem? A, B, A, B, B, A, B, B, or C, A, B, C, D. Number 12. What makes the shadow so interesting to the speaker in this poem? F. Although the shadow looks like the boy, it doesn't behave like a child. G. The boy wonders where the shadows come from. Or H. Even when he gets out of bed, the shadow doesn't follow the boy. Number 13. What is the real reason the boy's shadow was still fast asleep in bed? B. The shadow was a coward. C. The sun wasn't up yet to create the shadow. Or D. The boy was afraid of the dark. 14. How does the simile in line 7 impact the meaning of the poem? F. The example shows what games the boy likes to play. G. The example shows how fast and high the shadow grows. Or H. The image is of the shadow shooting very high like a rubber ball. Now please stop and read the advertisement on page 9 and then answer the questions. Number 15. The advertisement states, "Everyone is trying it, so should you." These words are intended to make the reader believe drinking snapback will make you F. One of the crowd, G. A leader, or H. Healthier. 16. Why did the illustrator use lightning bolts and light bulbs in the advertisement? A. To illustrate different forms of electricity. B. To illustrate the renewal of energy from the drink. Or C. To illustrate the need for peace and quiet from the drink. Now please stop and read the passage on page 10. Number 17. What change, if any, should be made in sentence 2? F. Change smartest to smarts. G. Change smartest to smartists. Or H. Change smartest to smarter. 18. What change, if any, should be made in sentence 3? A. Change musician to musician. B. Change musician to musicians. Or C. Change musician to musicians. Number 19. What change, if any, should be made in sentence 6? F. Put a comma after music, but before the quotation marks. G. Put a period after music, but before the quotation marks. Or H. Move the quotation marks after music to after researchers. Number 20. What change, if any, should be made in sentence 9? A. Change analogy to analogy. B. Change analogy to analogy. Or C, change analogy to analogy? Number 21. Which is the best way to put the following sentences together? You could go swimming. We could take a walk. It should be take. B. You could go swimming or we could take a walk. C. You could go swimming because we could take a walk. Or D. You could go swimming so we could take a walk. Number 22. Which is the best way to put the following sentences together? I don't speak Spanish or Meretith. My friend speaks English. A. I don't speak Spanish or Meretith, but my friends speak English. B. I don't speak Spanish or Meretith, so my friends speak English. C. I don't speak Spanish or Meretith because my friends speak English. Number 23. Complete the following analogies. Arrive is to depart, as appear is to A. Come, C. Look, D. Vanish. 24. Boot is to foot, as glove is to A. Mitten, B. Hand, C. Baseball. 25. What does the following figure of speech mean? It is raining cats and dogs. A. There are cats and dogs coming out of the sky. B. There will be snow coming soon. Or D. It is raining very hard. Please be careful and check all of your answers before putting them on the answer key. If you have any questions, please ask Mrs. Kingham. Thank you.